Where do you see the world changing ultimately with this kind of stuff?
Yeah, that's a good question. I think like with obviously ESPs like you guys and other tools, like the ability to leverage like the historical data, like what were the most open campaigns and like what were those subject lines and then pull from it, right? Like was it something that was like kind of ambiguous? Was it something that was heavily personalized? Like really
Mm,
trying to give those insights to a lot of people that probably don't know. Because I think the problem is people send subject lines, they run A/B tests, they see that one worked versus another, but they don't necessarily know why it worked, right? Because it seems like a lot of people create subject lines that are very specific to campaigns, which obviously is great, but I don't think they understand like the underlying theme in which that was. Was that something that tapped into this psychological principle of like FOMO or
yep.
scarcity or whatever it might be? So I think like on the ESP level and whatever other tools come out there, like the ability to leverage like I've been sending emails that I have access to like on my own list for probably 3 or 4 years. There's probably hundreds, maybe if not thousands of campaigns. I would never be able to manually go through, and if I could, I wouldn't want to, right? Manually go through and look at every single subject line I sent. There's probably even times I've repeated subject lines, and we might even be able to see in the data the 6 times that you use subject line A, B, and C, that was the best performing. So for me, I'm really excited about the ability to take this big data, be able to turn it into really actionable insights, and then having the tools or the tech be able to start making recommendations of the subject line based on the plain text version of the copy.